I need to set up my manufacturing process in Artintech ERP. I've heard I need to create workstations, define routes, and set up the bill of materials. But how do I do that?
Great question. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, we need to define our workstations. These are different areas where tasks will be performed. Go to Production menu and then click Workstations. Then click on New to add a workstation. Now, fill in details like name, cost, duration, and task description. To finish this step, click Save.
That was easy. Now I have all my workstations ready.
Now, we need to define the sequence of workstations, called a route. This tells the system in what order tasks will be performed. Start by going to Production and then click Routes. Click on New to create a route. Give it a name and description. Now add workstations in the correct order. Set the cost and duration for each step. And finally click Save.
Got it. Now my production steps are properly structured.
Well, we are now ready for the last step. Let's define the materials needed to manufacture a product using a BOM. Click BOM List. Click on New to create a BOM. Enter a BOM name and assign it to a route. Attach relevant documents like drawings and instructions. Provide production notes or instructions necessary to follow. Define output products such as your main output, remnant, or even waste materials if applicable. You can also allocate cost percentage to each of the outputs. Now add required parts and materials with their quantities. And finally, don't forget to click Save.
Wow. Now I have my manufacturing process completely set up.
That's it. Now your production process in Artintech ERP is fully configured.
Thanks, Alex. This is going to make my manufacturing so much more efficient.